We have a news alert on Fannie and Freddie. Diana Olick has the details. Hi, Diana.
Yes, and it is coming from investor Bill Ackman, who is a major shareholder of Fannie Mae, has been tweeting about the possible emergence of Fannie and Freddie from their conservatorship, which they were put in during the Great Recession. I want to read you a couple of the quotes from his post on X. He says that what makes them particularly interesting today versus any other time in history, there's a credible path for their removal from conservatorship in the relative short term, that is, in the next 2 years. He says a successful emergence of Fannie and Freddie from conservatorship should generate more than $300 billion of additional profits to the federal government. Now, that's why you're seeing the stock surging right now. But I'll tell you, I did an interview very recently with Mark Calabria. He was the head of the FHFA, which is the conservator of Fannie and Freddie. And he was the one who, with Secretary Mnuchin in the first Trump administration, tried to get the two out of conservatorship. He told me they shopped around a plan that they wanted to get an explicit government backstop for the two, which are, of course, the biggest backers of mortgages in the U.S., and they could not get that. And then, of course, the pandemic happened and it all got sidelined. He says this will not be a first-year priority for the Trump administration, but maybe a second or third-year priority. He says that there are ways to get them out of conservatorship because, as Ackman is saying in his posts on X, they have gained considerable capital. I want to read you a quote from that interview. He said, "I think the concern is that there are underlying problems that are being missed, that is, them being in conservatorship. We have a mortgage finance system that works really well on the upside, but is it prepared for a downturn? And again, while I'm optimistic about the overall state of the economy, are we putting the taxpayer at risk?" Now, that's his argument for taking them out of conservatorship. But I also spoke with Mark Zandi, who is very opposed. He's from Moody's Economics. He's very opposed to them coming out of conservatorship because he says, why fix something that isn't broken? In fact, he says, I think it's unlikely that Fannie and Freddie will be released from conservatorship. It just doesn't make economic sense. So you see, there's going to be a lot of arguments on both sides of this. It's going to depend on what the new Treasury Secretary thinks, whether they can get any kind of explicit government backstop from Congress, and whether the two are well capitalized enough to take them back into the private market. So a lot to be going on here. Not going to happen in the first year for sure. Back to you.
No, for sure. And small volatile stocks moving a lot on these hints out there. I know there had been hopes under a new Trump administration there might be a path out, which, as you say, Diana, though, would seem to require either a government backstop or just more capital.
Exactly. More capital for sure. They are unlikely to get that explicit government backstop, but then you have lots of arguments claiming that they are already backstopped, just like the banks are with the FDIC.
Yeah, implicitly, if nothing else. All right, Diana, thanks so much.